we've just won that too and made 1800 on that. We are VIP. We just got to the VIP level. You get to the VIP level in Quotex if you cross the $5,000 mark. You can either deposit 5,000 to become a VIP. It's not every day that you wake up, sit in your living room, open your computer, click on one or two buttons, and you make money. Of course, this is only possible when you're trading binary options in Quotex and you know what you're doing. In this video, I will be teaching you guys a few tricks that you can use in Quotex to make money, even if you've just started out with $10 and you are not sure where next the market will take you. If you watch this video to the end, then by the end of it all, you will be able to turn your $10 account into a $1,000 account in just a few simple steps. Watch this video and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Now, the first asset that I want to trade on is the Boeing OTC pair. I'll just place that trade for $1,000 and explain later. If you look at the strategy that I'm using on the chart, I have the Bollinger Bands, I have the stochastic oscillator with period 14, 3, level 70 and 60 for the SMA. Then the RSI is also on the chart and I'm using it just as it is. The reason why I've placed that up trade is because if you look at the stochastic oscillator, it has already crossed above the 30 level. And if you look at the RSI, it's also above the 30 level and it's heading upwards. Look at price on the Bollinger Bands, it's above the middle band, which signifies that the market could continue going up. Now, if you don't have an account in Quotex, there's a link on the description of this video. Go ahead, click on it and create your account. You can use this strategy on any of your trades to make money. Okay, this strategy is profitable. I've tried it on a number of assets and it has worked. Okay, so look at how price is interacting on the chart, and we just won our first trade for $1870. And if you look closely after that trade, price continued upwards with a lot of momentum. It might reverse after price has gone above the 70 level, which is the overbought level in each of the oscillators that we have on the chart. For our next trade, we'll trade on the Johnson's and Johnson's OTC pair. This is a stocks pair and I'll also trade up for $1,000. Let us wait and see what happens. The same scenario, look at that strategy. We've just traded up because if you look at the RSI is above the 30 level. You look at the stochastic, it's also crossing above the 30 level. Look at price action, you can see the morning star here. You can also see bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here, which both signify a reversal in this trend. So initially it was a local downtrend, but now the market is changing its direction and it's going upwards. We are already on the green. Let us wait and see what happens in a few seconds. If this wins, we will win 1840 from that trade and we will go to over $3,000. That has just won. We've just won 1840 from that, and our new account balance is $4,334. Now, if you look at my trading setup, you'll notice that I have an extended screen that I'm using to get signals, and after getting those signals, I place my trades on my laptops. You can also use the same setup. It will make things seamless and easy for you. So for the laptop, I only go to the laptop to place my trades. Otherwise, all my signals I get on this extended screen that also has Quotex. The next trade is on the American Express pair. I'll trade up again for $1,000. Look at both the RSI and the stochastic oscillator. They are both facing upwards, except the stochastic oscillator has already gone above the 70 level. Not to worry though, look at price on the Bollinger Bands. We already have a breakout on the upper band, and that signifies that we might continue to see higher prices. If you are watching our videos for the first time and you haven't subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Also make sure that you like, share and comment on this video so that it can reach as many people as possible looking for strategies in Quotex. And we've just won that too and made 1800 on that. We are VIP. We just got to the VIP level. You get to the VIP level in Quotex if you cross the $5,000 mark. You can either deposit 5,000 to become a VIP, or you can trade your way up to the VIP level in Quotex. Look at how price continues to soar up high even after giving us $1,800. For the next trade, we'll trade on the USD BDT OTC pair. Again, we'll trade up for $1,000. Look at the stochastic oscillator, look at the RSI. They are both above the 30 level and going upwards strong. You can also see that price has left the lower band of the Bollinger Bands with a lot of momentum, and we might just see price going up even higher. Again, remember what I said. I have an extended screen that I'm using to monitor the charts and to pick signals. If you want to use the same setup as me, we have a store for computers and computer accessories in Kisumu. You can visit us at Glassbox Garissa Lodge, shop number G14 to buy your extended screen from us. A few seconds left, and we've just won that too. Got $1,870. Our new balance is $6,404. So let us place our last trade. If it wins, we close it there. If it doesn't, then we place one more trade until we get to $7,000 or $8,000 potentially. That will mean that we've made about $5,000 from the market today. As it stands, we only have a profit of about $3,000. So for the next trade, let us trade down on the USD BDT pair again. If this wins, we close it there. We'll have reached about $7,000, and that is okay for today. When trading in Quotex or in any other binary options trading platform, make sure that you are not greedy, because greed leads to overtrading, and overtrading leads to loss of money. You can lose everything that you've just made in a single instance. For example, we have a profit of about $2,000 right now. But if we continue to trade and trade and trade, there are two possibilities. We can either make money or lose money. If we make, then that will be an advantage to us. If we don't, then we will have lost what we had. We've just lost that trade for $1,000, so we are back to $5,404. I'll place the last trade for $1,000 on the Boeing OTC pair, and I just hope that whoever is driving that stock is not an aviator driver. Let us wait and see what happens. And it has started on the right path. Uh, Look at the stochastic oscillator. It has already gone almost below the 30 level. Look at the RSI indicator. It is also headed there. Look at price on the Bollinger Bands. It has already broken below the 50 level, and that signifies that we might continue to see even lower prices on the Boeing OTC pair. A few seconds left until the close of that, and we've just won that. We made 1820 from that. So tell me in the comment section, does it look easy, or is it just me finding it easy, or is it just me making it seem like it is an easy task to trade and make money in Cortex? The last trade that I want to place is on the McDonald's, and I'll just do $1,000 on that too. If this wins, we get to $7,000, and that would be it for me. Remember, we are getting our signals from the stochastic and the RSI indicators. If these moving averages go above the 30 level and they face upwards, then we trade up. We use the Bollinger Bands for confirmation, and if prices are above the middle band, then we trade up. If they are below the middle band, we trade down. If they are at the top band, we trade down. If they are at the bottom band, we trade up. Few seconds left until the close of that. It looks very tight, and we've just won that too. making 1880 from that. Our new balance is $7,104. Again, if you don't have an account in Quotex, there's a link on the description of this video. Click on it and create your account. If you have any question, post them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I do more videos about Quotex, you will be the first one to get notified. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.